Welcome to our Lambodhi AI YouTube channel. Today we are analysis Tesla Cybertruck YouTube video. Let's talk basics. Tesla, founded by Elon Musk, the Tesla truck. This Cybertruck isn't your average pickup, it's a futuristic marvel, boasting unmatched durability and performance. Designed to shake up the automotive industry, it's set to redefine what we expect from electric vehicles. With its sleek yet rugged design, the Cybertruck is turning heads and sparking conversations worldwide. But it's not just about looks. Tesla's focus on sustainability is evident in every aspect of the truck's development. Now move on to our topic dwelling. Today, we're analyzing a YouTube video from one of the internet's top tech influencers, Marques Brownlee, with over 18.9 million subscribers. You can find the video link in the description below. The video is titled Tesla Cybertruck Review. Already iconic, this video have 3.4 million views. To analyze this specific video, right-click on the video, then select the Copy Video URL option. Go to Lambodhi.com, click on Start Analysis Now button, or directly go to app.lambodhi.com. Please sign or sign up in with your Google account. Don't worry, with Google Security, you can log in securely without any leaks of your private information. Now, paste the URL that you copied into the search box and click on the search icon. On the screen, we have the Tesla truck video with the URL we copied earlier. Now click on Analyze button. Now our video analysis is ready. To see that, please click on View Analysis button. Now we see on upside we have video. Here we can play video. Out of total comments AI tool have analysis only 100 comments. We see 300 random comments analysis by Lambodhi Comments AI. For success on YouTube, understanding the audience is key. Let's see people what are commenting about this video. Our Comments AI tools divide into top topics. 1. Product quality. 2. Safety concern. 3. Design. Iconic status. 4. Visual appeal, and all other topics. With help of Max Know of Comments AI tool divide in this topics. Let's click on first topic, production quality of this video. We have some positive, some negative, and neutral comments. Click on respective button, we can see actual comments. Click on positive comments. We see positive comments like production value of this video is good. Is that fantastic? Our tool automatically detect comment and categorized. Also, you can go through negative comments that people talk about, it's paid promo. Also for neutral, and see below with help of comments analysis. And you can also go through neutral comments that people talk about, drag race, and video production. Lambodhi Comments AI give us top ideas. Also as YouTuber, we can get this any one idea for our next video, because these ideas are generated from audience comments. Understanding the audience's preferences is essential for success on YouTube. Also, Lambodhi Comments AI give us suggestion comment like this. These suggestions are important for improving the next video for content creators. Additionally, as YouTubers, we can learn from the suggestions and comments left on other YouTubers' videos. Next, we can see overall comment sentiments in pie chat. Move cursor on, and see total positive comments is 34%. Total neutral comments is 34%. Total negative comments is 34%. This is only 300 comments analysis. If you want all comments analysis of this video or any video on YouTube, you can contact us at hello@lambodhi.com. Otherwise, drop your questions in comments section. With help of Comments AI, you can analysis any video on YouTube that have some comments. So go on Lambodhi.com and start analyzing your and your competitor videos. Now please visit us at Lambodhi.com. Please subscribe, like, and comments.